Hi, welcome to today's Bee tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to use the new Bee video content block so you can create a beautiful video preview image just like this one we see from this email from Estee Lauder. As you know, probably, video still isn't very well supported in email, so the vast majority of emails we get that are pointing readers to video content simply use a static image or an animated GIF for you to click on, and then you can go and watch the video on a landing page or website, just like this one from Estee does. And that's exactly what the video editor content block is going to do in Bee, but it's going to make it super simple for you to do, and I'm going to show you how. So here I am in the Bee editor. I'm starting a new email from scratch. And if I go over to the content menu, you can see that there's a new video tile. All I need to do is grab it and drag it and drop it into my email. Once it's in, I can tap on it. The content properties menu appears. And all I need to do is paste a video URL from either YouTube or Vimeo. So I'm going to pull one up of cute puppies and bring that over to the editor and paste it in. Once I paste it and hit return, you can see that I have an awesome preview image. This saves designer time. You don't have to create a separate image that has a preview and this play button. It's already here for you after just pasting in the URL. And then you can actually customize the play button as well. So I can change it into a rectangle. I can make it a little bigger. I can decide if it's dark, if the contrast looks better on my background. And you can go ahead and mess around with the outline and kind of make it exactly how you want it to look so that it renders the best way against your cover image. So it's really that easy. Your image is linked, it has the play button. Readers can easily know that this is a great video, and there you have it, the new video content block.